What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we are actually going to be testing out Caleb's new pit bike he got, as you guys can see in the thumbnail, and I just really hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, guys, I forgot to do the intro in the beginning of the video, so I'm just doing it while we're editing. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get it. You?
I was just going to get a little cheaper, thanks for it, bro. I wish mine was oil up. I'll put red, I'll put my bike.
That back tire's gonna come off.
Yeah, it is. This red sucks.
One hand.
Yeah, probably.
Alright, Caleb's gonna take the footer for a rip. Yeah! We just found some cool Jeeps going up the trail. It's pretty sweet. Now I'm just waiting for Kyle and Caleb. Do something sick, bro!
I know.
Yeah! Dude! Ah!
Say what?
Try again.
Huh?
Try again, man. Okay, guys, so I thought today, well, right now is a perfect time to talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is Shred Sports. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring the video and sponsoring me. You guys' merch is the best, and snowboarding gear is the best, and I just appreciate you guys so much for watching this. Many more videos to come out this summer and winter. And Kyle, say what you got for them. Yeah.
Rock on.
Yeah, and then and right here I'll show a little display of what all Shred's got, because they have everything from snow, skate, wake, and mountain bike now. So yeah, and yeah, they're the best. So let's get it. Gosh, that bike screams. Gosh dang. How you doing, Kyle?
Pretty decent.
Oh yeah? So run us down. What you got new on your bike right now?
Nothing. Everything's old.
Everything's old?
Yep.
Thought you got some new pedal tops.
Those are grips. They don't count.
And then you got new forks, new radiators, and new radiator hoses. Now, what's the backstory on your bike?
Pretty clapped out.
Pretty clapped?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, give us a backstory.
There is none.
There's nothing?
Nothing.
Dang. Hey, you got that Motion Pro throttle cable, so that's good.
Yup.
Well, go get some vids. Let's send it.